Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, briefly introduce about yourself.
Sir, my good name is Akshay Krishna Patil and I'm 26. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering Research Center, Nashik. I have been preparing for the banking exams from last 2 years. I basically belong to Kolhapur. It is my birthplace as well as my hometown. But as my father was in the Indian Army, so we shifted into Nashik in 2004.
After engineering, why did you enter into banking sector, banking preparation?
Sir, actually, when I entered this engineering sector, I took the mechanical stream because I was interested in aeronautical engineering as well as something which is related to automobiles. But when I completed my graduation, I figured out that although my percentage were like more than average, I wasn't sufficient to get a good job in the private sector. So although I was able to get a job in Bajaj Sons Limited and Epiroc, but because of the political pressure as well as the company showed a little bit disrespect to the employees which are new. So I also it was my father's dream that if I have completed 2 government jobs, then I expect at least one from you. So that actually gave a big motivation to me.
Means you are interested in the government job.
Yes, sir. I have.
You didn't feel that for mechanical students, government job is there.
Sir, especially like the junior engineer you are talking about.
Engineering field. I am talking about
PWD,
engineering.
there are jobs.
Yeah,
No,
sir.
you are thinking about government job, na? So lots of government jobs are also there
Yes,
for
sir.
B mechanical.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as per your talk,
Yes, sir.
I observed that you are interested in only government job.
Sir, like government job, I have applied for the engineering services, the UPSC engineering services. But I admired that there is this level which I cannot attain. It was a lot more harder than I expected. And in the same, like when I gave SBI PO and IBPS PO, I was able to crack both the prelims in the very first attempt. So I like just made up my mind that if I am able to survive in this condition in the banking process, let's give all my efforts from now on to banking itself. So that's why I shifted my
My
focus.
question is, if all mechanical students,
Yes, sir.
civil students,
Yes, sir.
and chemical or other engineering students
Yes, sir.
are thinking to get job in bank,
Yes.
railway or other, then who will work in this field?
Sir, like particularly answering this question,
No, what if you, I didn't, if your profile was not that,
yes,
I'd never question like this.
yes, sir.
But I seeing that your percentage is also not bad as compared.
Sure, sir.
So therefore I am asking all this.
Sir, like, but at the end of the day, we are going to talk about like what personally we are interested in, and
So
because
you forgot about your degree.
sir, particular, I will never forget about my degree.
As per your discussion or thoughts, I feel that you are try to forget your last dream or whatever you did in past.
No, sir, definitely not. Because like even if I am a mechanical engineer, I feel that anywhere I go in the world, I am able to sustain myself through the skills my college has
Now,
given.
what is your aim? Fix aim.
Fix
Where
it.
to work?
Sir, I want a job in Reserve Bank of India or any other banking institutes.
Yeah, I saw maximum B mechanical students. Most of the 3 to 4 are succeed. Also, you will also succeed. No problem.
Yes.
But my in my mind that if you took this hard study,
Yes.
then suddenly why you are changing your mind?
Okay, sir. So like when I completed my graduation 2021, so through this campus placement, I was placed, as I said, in both the companies. In Bajaj Sons Limited, in the very first month, I figured out that they are treating me not less than any kind of slaves. Like they are giving me only 10,000 to 12,000 and asking me to come in the morning at 7, and I have to leave the company at 9 in the evening. So it's almost like more than 12 hours of a job for a fresher or so. It also wasn't a very big effort. It wasn't a very big task for me, but then my family actually pertained me that if you are like giving your best in this company, why don't you give the same energy to the studies and try to give a job in the government sector?
Are you not interested in RTO post?
Sorry,
RTO post, you are not interested?
particularly in RTO. No, sir. Sorry, sir. No, sir.
Because your profile matches to it. You know, for RTO, B mechanical is compulsory.
Yes, sir. Sir,
You
one
know?
of my friend has been on
No, you know it, na?
Yes, sir.
And very easy selection is there.
Sir, but like I don't feel that my personality
Okay,
suits to
okay.
RBI.
Means you are not interested in that field.
To be honest, sir, no. Honestly, no, sir.
You want to work in RBI?
Yes, sir. So,
Okay, your focus is on RBI.
yes, sir.
For
You should know-
RBI, there is one line we call RBI is bankers bank. Why?
Sir, like RBI, we can say it's a banker's bank because if any bank in India, whether it is private or governmental, is having any kind of financial issues, they go to the RBI for their like taking their financial conditions to them, asking about money or any kind of thing, and then RBI helps them. Like as we go to the bank for loans, banks go to RBI for the loans.
Repo rate.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir. Repo rate.
Okay.
Sir, for example, a bank is taking some kind of loan at a particular interest from RBI. So, in like a customer to bank, we simply call it as interest rate, but a bank to RBI, it is called as a repo rate.
Your improvement is best, but you have to pass written.
Yes, sir.
So for that, we are giving all the best to you.
Yes.
Really good.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.
Very confident.
Thank you. Sir.